Once upon a time, in a sunny forest, there lived a little bird named Bella. She was so excited because her eggs were about to hatch. Bella sat on her eggs like a warm blanket. One day, she heard tiny peeps from inside the shells. "Oh boy," she chirped. Suddenly, crack! A little chick popped out with fluffy feathers and big eyes. His name was Chirpy. But wait, another egg started to wiggle too. Out came two more chicks, Fluffy and Spotty. They all snuggled close to Bella for warmth and love. Together they learned how to fly and find food. Bella smiled proudly as they flapped their wings in the bright sky, realizing that with patience and care, wonderful things can happen.